Yo, 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 yo. The war is on, the war is on. Teejay send warning to Byron Messiah, what them want call him. Jado. Teejay say, what they love run, son, them are the batsman. Yo, Teejay. Teejay go out hard in this song, you warning. You understand? It's like the war start, you know. You see me? TG chat some wicked rhyme in that one, yeah. You understand me, people? So make we see if Byron I go answer this. You understand? Because me see a little post come out where they must say TG and Soundfest we got S them mother. So TG fire the first round, you know. So make we see if the one who say my Taliban or whatever I want to call himself, I go answer. You see me? Next thing my people want to talk about, I'm going to check out Bounty Killer and Baby Cham Time Bomb EP. You see me? It out right now. Now check it out. Mad thing. You understand? Some boom, 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 bang. Yo, I'm going to check out that. You see me? Tick, 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 boom. You see me? Yeah, man. Go check out that one there. Bounty Killer and Baby Cham. You see me? Yeah, man. The man them come out with a nice thing. You understand? And Buju Banton also have an album out, my people. I will check out Buju album to a thing named Born for Greatness. You understand? Yeah, man. I don't know any new thing them forward out. We have to come out and talk about them. You understand, the people? We will check out Buju new album also. You understand? Yeah, man, I don't know say artist this man. I don't know so we have to come and go to the latest of the latest news. You understand? Yes, man. And to be honest, again, my people, may I tell you, Bounty Killer and Baby Cham and Destadap have a song. It do around a month or a couple months you know. But that song there, I go on wicked in the world and now the girl them I go crazy for that song there. A song with them call name Slow Motion. You understand? That song there take the world right now. You understand? Unstoppable music, them music there. You see me? Yeah, man. So if you don't listen to a song there, go check it out. Slow Motion. Bounty Killer, Baby Cham and Dexter Dap. Yes, my people, as I say, the war is on. TJ fire warning. You understand? So, yeah, man. So I could see where that Wallico warrior go. You understand? Anyway, you don't know, say artist is my people. You don't know. You know the latest of the latest. Me I say bless up again. You understand? Yeah, man.